Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at, we'll start with the insides of this 1977 made in Japan space attacker robot. And the reason I have it apart is I wasn't seeing any smoking action going on. And of course I did try the obvious first things when it was together. I tried putting a little bit of light grade oil back down into the smoker through here. And didn't seem to be doing much. So I did open it up and take a wire off the smoker so I could throw in a amp meter to see if it was drawing current. And the smoker was in fact drawing about 250 milliamps, so that means the filament, the heater in the smoker wasn't burned out. So with it all apart, I went ahead and bent the tabs, actually removed the smoker from the unit so I could get it out in the open. Did some work on the bellows, they're back here. And injected some more smoke fluid directly in now that I could see what I was doing. Plus on the very bottom of the smoker they had a place where they had globbed on glue, but that's where the hole is for filling up. See, the whole bottom of the smoker is basically cotton wool for holding smoke fluid. So I chipped away their old glue so I could go in there and inject smoke fluid in that and then glued that back over again. Seems to be smoking now. Well, let's check again. You have two buttons. You have a single motor. By reversing the direction of the motor, it changes the gears in the box, so it'll either walk or it'll run the guns and smoke. And in either case, the smoker would be on and glowing. So let's see. Maybe if you look in there, you see that glowing filament, that orange thing? That's the smoker actually glowing. And then, of course, it's really hard to catch on camera because you need the lighting just right, and I can't control the lighting the way things are set right now. But it's smoking quite well now. So we're going to put it back together. In the case of this particular toy, it's normally fairly easy. I'm not 100% sure what I'm fighting here at the moment. Maybe the arms. But normally you get the head lined up first. I think it means because the guns are down. Let's get the guns up. There we go. I was just fighting the guns. Then there's a snap in the crotch. So you get the head, the crotch snapped, and then there's two screws. The same body was used on other battery-operated robots by him and also wind-up robots. And the mold, I mean, for the body, because here would be a hole for the wind-up key. There were other versions of the toy where it actually had a spinning antenna on the top. No smoker, but a light bulb there instead. In fact, well, let's test this out first. Let's get the wires where I'm not walking over the top of them. Maybe if I get some backlight going, we'll be able to see. So this should be the walk mode, if things are working right. There we go. And I don't know if the light should be to the front or to the back. But it's just smoking. So, we've got the toy working, two C-cell batteries in the remote, and up here on the screen, up on the Alpha Drone website, where it asked for some information about this particular toy. Here you can see pictures of what the box would look like for that toy. And down below you can see the Razer version. This is the one that has a large spinning antenna and a light bulb, but no smoker. Same battery box. It's the same body, it's in gold. And here you can see the two of them side by side. So one with a smoker, one with a light bulb. And the light bulb one gets an antenna. Very interesting. So there you have it. You've now been inside and outside of the Super Space Attacker.